But guys, we're back at this abandoned building, so I'm just gonna get the torch out now. Gonna go upstairs?
We need a load of times on the next channel. We need a load of times. So,
Be quiet then.
dig down the door.
You are right there, just be careful. So I've got my torch now, guys. I'm pretty nervous. Go on then, guys.
Just don't touch off, don't let somebody get it down. Bye, thank you, look.
That's new. Alright, this is not this. That's new. That's new. Stop being in this bit.
I'm not being in this.
There's a basement that I'm not going to show you yet. Get everyone out there. There's a little tent. There's a little get in on. What? There's a ritual.
That's disgusting. What is it? A dead bird for me. Oh, I'm not filming that. Oh, shit. Stop it.
How's that?
What?
Just go, just go, just go, just go, just go. Just go, just go. Just go. Just go. Someone just started spinning, so there's still electric here. There's still electric here. Fucking hell. I've never seen that before, there's still electric here. So watch what you touch, because there's still electric. There's still electric here. There's still electric here, because one of the fans started turning on. One of the fans turned on. One of the fans turned on. Yeah, one of the fans just turned on. There's still electric here. One of the fans just turned on upstairs. I've never seen that. I am.
Vlog 1, the scariest one ever. With the boy. Not showing him, I can't be bothered. Key and Bradley, shout him out, even though I've got no followers.